So today I'm going to speak about a topic which is very common, but over the time I've realized that we need to discuss this topic so that we become smarter in our daily work life. So the topic is how to move from smart work to smart hard work. In our life, whenever we start something new, we always give extra hours and extra effort, and then over the period of time we realize that we are working very hard to achieve what we aspire to achieve. On that note, we try to check things out, we try to analyze, we try to introspect and find out that where we can improve and how we can tweak the things to work smartly. So this transition is basically from hard work to smart work. So once you find out that this is a smarter way to work, this is the right way to work, you are more confident. But a reason to be cautious comes over here, wherein you start thinking that okay, since I worked hard so much in past, I need not put many efforts right now. So you will start measuring your hard work with time, and you will see that even though you know the right way to do a particular thing, you will not put that much of hours into it because you think that is a hard work. No matter how smartly you start working, hard work is always going to remain in your life. You'll have to work hard to achieve things. Now the transition is only from smart work to smart hard work, which means you have to smartly work hard. That doesn't mean that you will enjoy more and work less if you have bigger goals. That only means you will work more smartly. You'll work hard, but you'll work more smartly. So, for example, when I was doing when I was running my own business, I was working hard, but I was not getting results. So I realized that I need to find some solution to this, and after that I started searching on internet the various things which I can improve. And during that time I came across some training programs, coaching programs, and I attended those programs. What I realized, those programs were valuable. There were smart insights in that program, and if applied to any business, can do wonders. But attending training programs and knowing the smart insights will alone not make me achieve my goals. I need to put that hard work which I was earlier also putting, but in a smart manner, using those tips and tricks which are taught to me in those training programs. So so my message is, you should start working smartly harder, and hence you should do smart hard work. Thank you.